Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you a compilation of different designs that I've done during this period of time. That is the bed transformation, the wooden beds that I've decided to transform. Yeah, and I'm going to be showing you the designs that I've done during this process. It's about 4 or 5 designs, and I hope you'll enjoy it. And I'm going to be just drawing small clips, that is after the progress and the final results, so that you can just get an idea that this is a bed transformation and it's something possible, and most of the designs are possible to do during this bed transformation. The first one was this one, and I'm going to be showing you the progress and also the end results. So for all the videos that I'm going to be posting in this video, you are going to be seeing each and every one of them, the before, the progress, and the final results. And tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole bed transformation. If you're new here, feel much welcome to our channel, All Things With Us. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Yeah, don't forget to watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos that we have already uploaded in our video, and you can learn one or two. Share with your friends and family. Yeah, and I will really do appreciate that support. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. Keep supporting the channel, like the videos, comment on them, and yeah, keep watching the videos and enjoy the videos. And tell me in the comment section about this compilation. I'm going to be posting 3 before the end of this year. I'm going to be posting 3 videos each and every week, so that we can fully enjoy these processes. So now the final the first bed is done. As you can see, this is the final product. As you can see, this is the design the client wanted, also the fabric color, and yeah, this is something very good, well done, as you can see. But you can tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole bed transformation. But to me, I normally see this bed transformation as something very doable, low on budget. Yeah, because the prices are almost half the price of buying a new bed, so you get to save lots of cash here that you can do something else with. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving you at this. I hope and enjoy the video till the end. And also, these are the beds. This was an Airbnb house. We were transforming 3 beds. All of them look like this, wooden beds, and we are going to be transforming them also into modern design. And yeah, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Watch till the end. See you in my next videos.